Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Vechain, surviving the bear market. Vechain has been dumping from the all-time high set in April 2021. We have seen Vechain dump more than 92% from that all-time high. Even though we had a relief in the altcoin market, we'll be expecting lower prices for Vechain in this bear market. At what price should we start buying some Vechain in the bear market? Will this be a good hold through the bear market? We'll be looking at the Vechain US dollar price chart. Also, be taking a look at Vechain's performance against Bitcoin, Vechain's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Vechain market cap, which currently sits at $1.7 billion. Should we be expecting lower prices? How low can it go in the bear market? And guys, if we're accumulating some Vechain in the bear market, how high can Vechain go in the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make some money trading or investing in cryptocurrency long term, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. At the point of recording this video, we're having a very red month in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been dumping. It looks as if the relief rally is over. We saw Vechain pumps in this relief rally, but right now all those gains have been taken away from us. In the last 1 year, Vechain is still down 80%. In the last 1 month, it's down 6.8%, and in the last 1 week, Vechain is down 5.3%. Should we start buying some Vechain right now, or should we wait for lower prices in the bear market? Guys, we know that the bear market is very, very brutal to a lot of these altcoins, Vechain included. We've seen Vechain drop from that all-time high of $0.27 to as low as $0.019, a 92% drop in just 441 days. We know that the bear market is going to be brutal, but that's where millionaires are made. If you want to be selling the top in the next bull run, if you want to have 20x, 50x, maybe 100x return on your investment, you want to be accumulating altcoins in the bear market, Vechain included. Now, if Vechain breaks this very, very critical support we have for Vechain at the 0.019 level, at what price will you be accumulating more Vechain? Guys, from that level, I'll start accumulating some Vechain till it gets to 0.009 and infinity. Anywhere Vechain gets to in the bear market, I'll be dollar cost averaging into some Vechain. You don't want to go all into these altcoins, guys. If you think they are down really bad, they can still go down really bad. We have seen altcoins dump 99% from their all-time high. If Vechain is going to create something spectacular like that and dump more than 99% from the all-time high we set in 2021, guys, we might see Vechain going back to that COVID sell-off price when Vechain was trading for 0.0020. Crazy, but Vechain can actually do that. We saw Vechain go from that COVID sell-off price that happened on the 9th of March 2020. Vechain rallied really hard during the bull run and went up more than 11,000% in just 406 days. This is outrageous if you ask me. A $1,000 investment in Vechain in March 2020 would have returned over $119,000 at the top in April 2021. In just 406 days, we saw Vechain pump to the moon, and that's what altcoins can do when the market is pumping. But for you to get those kind of gains in the bull run, guys, you have to be willing to buy some Vechain at the depths of the bear market. So where should we buy some Vechain? Guys, this is a very, very important level for Vechain, the 0.019 level where we bounced off in June 2022. We went for that relief rally. You can see that price has interacted with that level quite a number of times for Vechain. In August 2020, before it started pumping to new highs, Vechain got rejected off that level. We had to now blast through that level finally in January 2021 to new highs. And if you notice that in 2018 September, when Vechain was launched, that was where price got stopped out. So this is a very, very important level for Vechain. I don't want to see Vechain break this level, but if Vechain breaks that level, the next level we'll be looking at for Vechain will be the 0.009 level. And guys, as Vechain is going lower, it just means you get better buying opportunities and better entries for Vechain if you are going to be holding Vechain through the bear market. If you want to make money in crypto, if you want to make money holding all these altcoins, you have to think long term. You have to ask yourself, will I be willing to hold these altcoins for 1-2 years? Because guys, if you buy them at the bottom of the bear market, that's only when you'll be able to sell them at the top. And we see Vechain going to this next level that we're expecting to buy some Vechain, that's 0.09 level. Vechain will just be down 96.6% from the all-time high, and that's normal. We've seen altcoins do that and go in the next bull run to set new all-time highs. Now the next question is, how high can Vechain go in the next bull run? From the top for Vechain that came in on the 5th of April 2021, if we're able to survive the bear market and if Vechain bottom comes in around this 0.009 level, this Fibonacci retracement tool is telling us that, guys, Vechain can go to as high as over $1 in the next bull run. From where we are right now, if Vechain will go to above $1, guys, you have more than a 40x return on your investment. And if you're lucky enough to get some Vechain at the 0.009 level and Vechain goes to over $1, guys, guess what? You get more than a 110 return on your investment. That's a $1,000 invested in Vechain at these levels should return more than $110,000 at the top of the bull run. But for you to be able to sell the top of the bull run, you have to buy the bottom of the bear market. Guys, let's look at some technical details for Vechain before we start looking at Vechain's performance against Bitcoin and against Ethereum. Vechain currently has a market cap of $1.7 billion. The fully diluted market cap of Vechain stands at $2.1 billion. We have 72 billion Vechains in circulation out of a maximum supply of 86 billion tokens. Vechain is currently ranked 32 on CoinMarketCap. We have almost 1 million people that have Vechain on their watch list. And guys, why do you want to hold Vechain through the bear market? What makes Vechain unique? Vechain exists to disrupt traditional business model and is best known for its work in supply chain, an industry that has changed little over the decades. Its working in providing a decentralized trust layer for multi-party ecosystem has already seen major success with high-profile clientele and government bodies. Where can you get some Vechain if you want to buy some Vechain to hold through the bear market? You can get some Vechain on Binance, on KuCoin, on Binance.us, Bittrex, Hugo Global, Gate.io, and guys, anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Over 1 million people have Vechain on their watch list. Vechain's performance against Bitcoin has been nothing to write home about since when Vechain topped right here on the 12th of April 2021. We have seen Vechain lose more than 79% of its value against Bitcoin in 413 days. Even though we had a relief rally, we saw Vechain pump in the last 70 days. It went up 50% against Bitcoin, but that's nothing to write home about. We're still deep in the trenches. And guys, if you look at the Vechain Bitcoin price chart, you realize that every after major pump Vechain has, there's always a major dump. Now, depending on the pump we have, that's how long the dump will last. You can see that this pump you had right here for Vechain is there from March 2020. It ended in July 2020. This was a 439% increase in 112 days. What happened after that? We saw Vechain dump again. It took 168 days to finally finish dumping, but it lost another 77% of its value. And that's been the theme for Vechain over the years. If it pumps against Bitcoin, after that, we'll have a long dump, then another pump, another dump, another pump, another dump. When the market is pumping, you want to be holding Vechain, outperform Bitcoin. But when the market is dumping, you don't want to be holding some Vechain. The last bull run, we saw Vechain went from where it was in December 2020. It went up more than 751% against Bitcoin in just 119 days. But guys, the bad news is that since then, we have been dumping really hard. Can we set new all-time lows for Vechain against Bitcoin in this bear market? It's very, very possible, but that's where you want to be accumulating some Vechain through the bear market. If you look at Vechain's performance against Ethereum, it's actually funny because this is a very, very clear explanation of Vechain pumps when the market pumps and it dumps when the market dumps. You can see that when the market's in easy mode, you want to be holding some Vechain. In 2021, Vechain outperformed Ethereum by over 590% in just 63 days. In 2020, something similar like that happened. We saw Vechain outperform Ethereum 357% in 119 days. The same thing even happened in 2019. We saw Vechain outperform Ethereum by 188% in just 42 days. But guys, after all these pumps that Vechain had against Ethereum, we saw huge dumps after that. Right now, Vechain is still down 87% from the all-time high it set against Ethereum. We're currently at an all-time low for Vechain. Will Vechain continue losing value against Ethereum in this bear market? Probably, but that's when you want to be getting some Vechain, because if you look at the market cap for Vechain, it went to an all-time high of over $17 billion at the top of the bull run. Right now, Vechain's market cap is at $1.7 billion, but guys, if you put into perspective that in March 2020, Vechain just had a market cap of over $97 million, and right now Vechain is still up over 1,700% from that low we had in March 2020. So maybe, just maybe, we might see Vechain continue dumping in the bear market, but a very important level you want to see Vechain hold in this bear market is that $1 billion level. That's a very critical level for Vechain. You can see that Vechain's market cap interacted with that level right here in 2018, right here in August 2020, even before we started pumping to new highs in December 2020. So at some point in time, you expect Vechain's market cap to come to this $1 billion level, and that's where I'll be accumulating a lot of Vechain for the future. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, at what price will you be accumulating some Vechain for the next bull run? If you have Vechain right now, will you be holding all your Vechain through the chaos, or will you be selling it expecting lower prices? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3